This project is out near 11 Mile Corner, Sunscape Way. Sunscape Way is the primary entrance and exit. It had gotten into quite a bit of disarray. We had some residents reach out to our office.
This road was built many, many years ago.
I had my district administrator come out here and see it, find out what the resident was concerned about. His next call, I think, was to Celeste and said, can we look into this project?
We had a call from Supervisor Miller's office, and his constituents were concerned about the roadway surface.
We were able to evaluate the needs out here. The county was able to put in some new asphalt and bring this thing up to a standard that's acceptable to Pinal County. Very happy to see that.
We allot a certain amount of funding to pavement preservation. We don't allocate all of it, knowing that we leave some contingency for projects like these, where we know we might need to come out quickly. They were able to get out here within a 2-month time frame and come and complete this project within a week.
This is really how I love to see the system work, because my office should be that contact from the constituents in my district, and then we will get with the appropriate departments to handle their issues.
Projects like these can be submitted via the pinal.gov website. Project requests can come from any constituent or resident that lives in the county. Those are evaluated at our Transportation Advisory Committee meetings. They're placed on the 5-year plan and constructed with those funds.
We can't always solve all the problems that we have citizens asking about, but we certainly want to see it, and we want to talk about it and see what we can and can't do. I want to thank the Public Works Department for moving very quickly on this project.